So what you say you're out here doing?
I'm driving. Is it illegal to drive? Didn't think so. Didn't think so. Bullshit. This is bullshit. Pulled me over for no reason. Pulled me over for no reason. Pulled me over in a snowstorm to tell me that my license plate is covered. Bullshit. Pulled me over to tell me my license plate is covered. Fuck you. Bullshit. This is fucking bullshit. Give me a registration ticket, whatever. Fucking nigger ass Nazis. My lawyer's gonna have a field day with this.
Driver's license registration back. Sure you don't want to look at your plate?
Nope, I'm fine, sir. I don't care. You pull him over. Pull your buddy over, because his license plate was covered too. Yep, keep looking. There ain't shit in the car, dude. I know my rights. You guys are like the Gestapo.
Are we?
Yeah. Can I have my warning or whatever?
Yeah, I did write your warning failure display
Yeah,
registration.
thank you. Blah, blah, blah.
It's good attitude.
Yeah, you're an asshole. Come on.
You might want to
What?
get your plate off.
Yeah, you might want to.
After
I'll figure it out.
After you get done with this,
Yeah. See ya.
you want to take your camera off after you drive away.
Yeah.
Cover.
Yeah, bye. Hey! License plate! Oh wow, look at that! You might wanna clean your license plate off, sir! Look at your license plate! Fucker. Fucker's license plate was dirtier than mine. What a fucking asshole.